Hey, it's Pierre. So I am doing a review of some shoes called Python. These are a wide double E shoe, and they are for indoor courts, racquetball, and squash. They're advertised for. Thanks to Brandon from Squash Galaxy for providing this pair to sample. I do not have a wide foot, so but my friend CJ is going to help me out because he is one of many readers and Squash Source subscribers that is constantly asking me one of my most common questions: where can I find wide squash shoes? It is quite possibly the most common question I get. So when I saw that Squash Galaxy had these Python shoes and that they were, I believe Brandon said, the only double E wide squash shoe on the market, I was really intrigued to see if they would be a good fit for CJ and for others. So we're gonna get some feedback. I'm gonna show you what these look like here, and then I'll collect some feedback from CJ later once he gets a chance to play with them. We'll check on the sizing and all the rest of it. So there's two varieties. There's black and white. Well, this is black and white, but there's black with a little white and there's white with a little black. So this is the black shoe, and we've got kind of, let's see, the Python there, and let's see, we can take this out. These are 9.5s Python, and here's what the soles look like. This is what they look like on your feet, and the back here. Right, so just a quick unboxing for these, and we will see what the feedback is from CJ on how they feel. All right, thanks a lot.